Gunpowder in China was invented in the 9th century to frighten spirits, not for entertainment. Tang Dynasty alchemists mixed chemical substances in bamboo and ceramic vessels. During an experiment, the mixture accidentally produced sparks and smoke. Bamboo tubes were filled with powder for spirit-scaring rituals. When ignited, the tubes produced sparks in the air, creating noise. Observers watched cautiously, showing awe and astonishment. This took place in a temple courtyard during a morning ritual. Later, gunpowder was used in bamboo-tipped arrows as early weaponry. Gradually, fireworks became part of celebrations and ceremonies. Today, we celebrate beauty, but did you know about their ritual origins?